The AVERAGEIF function calculates the average of cells that meet a specific criteria. Here is the syntax. Range one or more cells to average, including numbers or names, arrays or references that contain numbers. Criteria. The criteria in the form of a number, expression, cell reference, or text that defines which cells are averaged. Average range. The actual set of cells to average. If omitted, range is used. AVERAGEIF criteria can include logical operators and wildcards for partial matching. To find the average of sales of bananas, use this formula. Pass banana as the criteria. Instead of entering the condition directly in a formula, you can type it in a separate cell and refer to that cell in your formula. To round the values, you can use the round function. Or format the cell to currency. Select the cell and select currency from the number format drop-down. In this case, the actual value stored in a cell won't be changed, only the display will be changed. Use wildcard characters in the criteria argument to average cells based on a partial match. Use an asterisk to match any sequence of characters. To find the average of any type of apples, use this formula. It includes any type of apple that ends with apple, but since there is a space after pink apple, that is not included. To include any item that contain apple, add an asterisk after the apple. To find the average of all items, excluding any apples, use this formula. You can average cells based on numeric criteria and logical operators. Average of all commissions less than 10,000, use this formula. Enclose the logical operator and the number in double quotes. We do not use the third argument since we want to find an average in the same range. To average numbers not equal to 0, use the not equal to operator. To include blank cells that contain absolutely nothing, no formula, no zero length string, enter equal to in double quotes in the criteria argument. To calculate the quantity of items whose status is empty, use this formula. C5 looks visually empty, but it has a formula which returns an empty string. To average values corresponding to visually blank cells, including those that contain empty strings returned by other functions, use double quotes in criteria. To find an average of values corresponding to non-empty cells where status is known, use this formula. You can use cell references and other functions in AVERAGEIF function. We have dates in column E. Use this formula to find the average sales on 2/1/2021. The cell reference is an exact match criteria, so type in the criteria argument. Use absolute references for the ranges. Copy the formula down to get average sales for other dates. If you use a logical expression with a cell reference or another function in criteria, then you must enclose the logical operator in double quotes and use ampersand to concatenate a cell reference or function. To calculate average sales greater than the date in E2, use this formula. To find average sales up to current date, use this formula. To download example Excel file, please click on the link in the description. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.